take off the mouthpiece and disassembly the metal blades. Like always, take the spring off. Screws, one here. Unscrew, like always, over here. Okay. What we can also disassemble, you can also disassemble this gum, because it might stop this metal blade for setup. Okay. Distance over here, okay? And this is very important setup, yeah? Okay, so to do it, we need to put the pressure back. Set up around, the pass will be 6 bars, okay? From 5 to 6 bars. Now we need to make the blade move forward to set it up, okay? So to do it, we just push the second push down. You see, the blade is moving forward. So we just push it and we turn right. So it stays forward. So the blade go forward and this is the right position, yeah? Okay, now we need to make machine up. Screws over here. So we need to unscrew it, okay? Now when we unscrew it, we have the regulation forward and backward, okay? And now we need to set up this distance. Just put it here, okay, and push it forward. Okay, as long as we have this setup part inside, we just pull back machine again. We just push it by finger, okay, to make the metal blade get close to the setup part, and just screw the first part first, okay. We push one finger and screw another one, okay, and now another back. Okay, use some force to screw it. Very good. After we put it back, this piston, this setup part should stay tight here. Now we will check if we set up correct, okay? So to set up, we need to take off this part, so just push down, take left, the metal piston turn back, we just take off this part. We make the blade move forward again, push and turn right. And this part should go here really tight, okay? Like this is very good, yeah? So we just check it. If it's got tight, it means the machine is set up good, okay? Alright, so now we take back this one. Just push it and turn left. And we go to assembly machine again. So starts to push the piston. Now we put the piston back, the mouthpiece back here, 2 screws. Okay, we make sure the mouthpiece is not on the corner at the same level. And now we just put back this gum holder here, here. Okay, and the spring. And this is it. Thank you.